Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's worked example, we'll be looking at the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two different complex numbers. So first we'll take two complex numbers. The first complex number will be z1, which would be 3 plus 4i, and the second complex number would be z2, which would be equal to 5 plus 12i. Now we'll start off with the addition. So addition of z1 and z2. When adding two complex numbers, we add their real parts and then their complex parts separately. And this would give us 8 plus 16i as the final answer. Next, we'll move on to the subtraction of two complex numbers. We'll be subtracting z1 from z2, and it follows the similar pattern to addition, and we'll be first subtracting the real parts, which would be 5 minus 3. Then we'll be subtracting the complex parts, which would be 12, which would be 12 minus 4i, and this would give us 2 plus 8i. Then we'll be now looking at multiplication of z1 and z2, and this would give us 3 plus 4i times 5 plus 12. When multiplying two complex numbers, we just expand them like normal algebraic expressions. So first we'll multiply 3 with 5, which would give us 15. Then we'll multiply 3 with 12i, which would give us 36i. Then multiplying 4i with 5, we would get 20i. Then 4i multiplied by 12i would give us obviously minus 48i. And simplifying them, we would get minus 33 plus 56i. Next, we will finally look at the division of two complex numbers, and we'll be dividing z2 with z1, and we would get 5 plus 12i over 3 plus 4i. Whenever we are doing the division of complex numbers, we multiply the numerator and the denominator with the complex conjugate of the denominator, which in this case is obviously the 3 minus 4i. Now when we multiply the complex conjugate with its original complex number, we get the square of the modulus, which in this case would be 3 square plus 4 square. And for the numerator, we will just do the normal multiplication of two complex numbers. So we'll get 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, then minus 20i, then 36i, followed by 48. Now we'll finally simplify this expression to get 63 plus 16i over 25, and we can write it as 63 over 25, which will be the real part, followed by 16 over 25i, which is the complex part. So thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.